I'm going to talk about what's happening in Bàscara because the National 2 crosses the town and divides the Bàscara in two parts, and more or less a month ago a woman who lived there died in the road for a traffic accident, and all the people are very tired of the trucks and all the noise that they produce, and they produce also the majority of the accidents. And since that day, every day from 9 to 10 in the morning and more or less from 7 to 9 in the evening, they stop the traffic, and they do, well, sometimes they do things like organize breakfast and dinners, and one day they bring some horses in the road, or they start crossing in the traffic light all the time, and they also do the nativity scene, what they want to do a day, and it seems like it's taking results because the government talks about it, the government from here in Catalonia, but it's not enough because this road is from Madrid and they don't talk about it. And here there's a photo of the first day that they stopped the traffic. And that's all.